Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you a feature your webcam has in Windows 10 that you probably didn't even notice. So let's go open up the webcam, go into search, just type web. Here's the camera app, click on it. Whoa, he's growing a beard. And he got my hair shaved off too. That's cool. Anyways, we're going to take a photo of this cool mug. So, how you do this? You have two options here. You have video, or you have photo. Oh, right here. Here's your time right here. To make this work, click it. So let's do two times a click. So I wanted to take a picture of this. I used to always go over here, take this cursor and go over here and click it. Yeah, there it's done. That sucks. I just found this out by accident. So 1, 2, 10-second timer. Click. Let's get this loading out good. It works pretty good. So it's a cool feature in Windows 10 that most people don't even know about. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.